Hello, dear little cute learners. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and doing well. So, students, I'm your science educator again here with a new chapter with a new concept. And today we have chapter number 12, which is rocks and minerals. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about the rocks and minerals we have, and we also define the different rocks and minerals in this chapter. So, all of you, are you excited? Let's get started. Our earth is made up of land and water. So we know that our earth is made up of two things. The first one is land and the second one is water. The hard matter of the earth, it's called rock. So what does mean by rock? The hard matter of the earth, it's called rock. Any large piece of stone is a rock. So you cannot simply say any small piece of stone, it is a rock. It should be a large piece of it. All mountains and hills are rocks. So these are the pictures you have for the rocks. So this is an example of rock, right? Rocks can be found near seashores, along the banks of rivers, in the playgrounds, parks, buildings, and roads. Rocks are also found under rivers and seas. So where we can find rocks, we can find rocks in parks, playground, roads. Okay, we can also find it in the different banks of the rivers. So if you see the Mumbai bank, what we call Jumbi, I don't even remember the name of that shore, but you seen that, and you can easily classify where we have big mountains which you see in your television, in films, right? So, and rocks are also found under rivers and sea. We also found rocks under the seas and rivers. Now we are discussing about kind of rocks. So how many types of rocks we have? There are many kind of rocks. They're different in color, texture and shape. How can we classify rocks? We classify rocks on the basis of their color, structure and texture. Now some kinds of rocks are hard, some kinds of rocks are soft, and some rocks are rough. So we have till now three type of rocks we see. First, hard, second, soft, and third one is rough. So now how can we classify among hard, soft and rough? So by touching it, if you feel it, its surface is soft, then you classify it as the soft rock. If you find roughness, then it is your rough rock. And hard means a big rock should be hard, where it cannot be broken easily, that it's included in your hard category. Now some rocks are smooth. They are the color and shape of a rock depends on the mineral present in it. Rocks are found in many colors such as white, black, red, green, pink, yellow and grey. So now you all are excited to see the pink rock, but it's not possible to see here, but it will be available in some place of the earth. So now what we are see here, that the color of the shape, the color and shape of a rock, it's totally depend upon the minerals which is present in it. And we generally classify rocks on the colors as well. For example, we have different colors such as white, we have black, red, green, pink, yellow and grey. So all of you are able to see the grey rock, which is very generally, yellow is very generally, white you see on the mountains, and red and green and pink, it could be some difficult rock which generally not seen it everywhere, right? Now we are discussing about the granite. So granite is a very hard rock. So it is usually gray in color. It is rough to touch. It can be polished to make it shiny. It is often used in the construction of temples, floors. It is also used for building houses and laying roads. So now we are talking about the granite, right? As the name suggests, granite. That is why the color of the rock should be gray only. And it is a very hard rock. And you all know, always make sure that students, you have to keep these features into your mind while we are talking about the granite, right? And granite generally it's a rough in touch, but we can make it shiny by working on it, by polishing it. And it is often used in the construction of temples and floors. So where we use granite, we use generally granite to making temples and floors. It is also used for building and houses and laying roads, because granite it's very hard and we need a strong base for our home and temples. That is why we are using granite. Next we are move forward to marble. Marble is a hard rock. Again, marble is a hard rock. It has many colors. white, black, green or pink. So in granite we have only one color, which is grey. But in marble we have four different colors: white, black, green and pink. It can be made very smooth. It is used to build beautiful buildings, statue, tabletop and many decorative things. So with the help of marble, what we can do, we can make beautiful buildings, tabletops and many decorative things as well. The famous Taj Mahal is built of white marble. We often say na the white Sangmarmar. So the Sangmarmar is related. The Sangmarmar is called the marble, and this white marble is used to in the construction of the Taj Mahal. Now we move forward to sandstone. There, Lal Kila sandstone. Sandstone, it's also a hard rock but not as hard as granite and marble. So as compared to granite and marble, the strongability of the sandstone will be it is reddy or yellow in color. So it is red and yellow in color, and it is used in buildings. The Red Fort in Delhi, it's built of red stone. So if you want to see the red stone examples live, so you can go to Lal Kila and you can touch the sandstone, which is red in color and which is located in the Delhi. Now we are going to learn about the slate. Slate is a soft and smooth rock. It is grey or black in color. It is made up of layers. Writing slates and blackboards are made of slate rock. It is also used to make roofs of houses. It means slate, it's the stone you have which you use to write on the blackboards, and generally it having two colors, gray and black. Now the question is, you are asking, ma'am, I also see different color of chalk. So it is a coloring effect. Generally on a row form they have only two colors. The first one is gray and the second one is black, and we use it to make our roofs of houses, and we are also using it to writing slates on blackboards and made of slate rocks. Okay, now we have next limestone. Limestone is a soft rock. It is a white, gray or light blue in color. Lime is made from this rock for whitewashing buildings and houses. It is also used for making cement. So we generally see the whitewashing of our home. If you see a construction of any building, so you will find that there will be limestone, which is a soft rock, and it is used to make cement, and we are using it to whitewashing of our buildings and houses. Now we are going forward to the talc. Now talc is a very soft rock. It is white rock. It is used to make talcum powder. It is also used in making crayons. So the crayon colors and the talcum powder we are using in summer to cool down ourselves. This is refers as your talc rock, and we are using it as to cool down ourselves. That is why we know that it is a soft rock and it is in white color, and it's also used in the talcum powder as well as on crayons. Now we have china clay. So all of you, have you done your art and craft where you're using china clay? China clay is a kind of rock. It is used for making pottery and as a filter in making fine paper in the United States. So we can use china clay to make our art and craft and make pottery, etc. and etc. Now we are going to learn about diamond. Yes, diamond is not a jewelry. We are classifying it into as a jewelry, but it is an expensive rock we have. Diamond is a very hard rock. It is the hardest substance. It is colorless and glassy. It is used in jewelry. It is also used to cut glasses. So we are using diamond to cut the glasses, and it is very strong, very hard, and it is the hardest substance we have, and we are using it in jewelry. And diamond having no color, it is only present in a glassy way. Now we are having graphite. Graphite is a soft rock. It is used in making electrical rods and lead of pencils. So you generally see you are using the pencils. The black color in your pencils is your graphite. So we are using graphite in making electrical rods and lead of pencils. Next we have chalk. Chalk is a soft rock. It is used for making chalk sticks for writing on blackboards. So the first we are slate, which we using. Same kind we have chalk, that is also a soft rock, and we are using it to writing on the blackboards and green boards. Next we move forward to the coal. Coal is a soft rock. It is black in color. It is used as a fuel in homes and factories. So coal is also a soft rock which we are using in as a fuel in homes and factories to make our food and right. And then we coal is in black in color. Now we are going to learn about the minerals we have. All rocks contain minerals. So all each and every category which we learned till now, each having minerals inside it. Now minerals are of different shapes and sizes and colors. Minerals also differentiate themselves into different shapes, sizes and colors. They are used to make various things we use in our daily life. So we are using it to make various things which we are using in our daily life. For example, first of all, gemstones. Gemstones are very hard minerals. They are cut in various shapes and polished. They are used in jewelry. They look beautiful and are expensive. The gemstones are generally expensive and we are using it as a jewelry. So jewelry are generally expensive and we are cut it down gemstones in different shapes and we polish it to make it beautiful. Next, these are the things we have as the gemstones: ruby, emerald, garnet, sapphire. These are the examples of your minerals. So students, this is the end of your chapter. So I hope so you like this chapter and understood it very well. This is very easy where you just have to understand about the different types of rocks we have and minerals. So for today, that's it. Now I'll meet you in your next class. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.